this is we are going to do the activity that is called. He is our friend Suhan. Hi. So this is big Kotilikas, 1 crore, million crore. Okay, it will be. So we'll show the biggest Nandi in the world. So this is biggest Nandi, and this is biggest Shiva. You can see there, honeybees are there. You can see that. So you can see there. You can see there in Nandi back you can see Ayyappa Swami, right? So that we call it as Shivali. Let me go to Patri. Right. Bye.